The Great Wall of China, a name that echoes with history and wonder. But why was this immense structure built? Imagine a vast land home to many kingdoms often at war with each other. The northern border faced constant threats from nomadic tribes. To defend their land, the ancient Chinese decided to build walls. These walls were not just barriers, they were symbols of strength and unity. The Great Wall, as we know it today, evolved over centuries, with different dynasties adding to, rebuilding and strengthening its defenses. The story of the Great Wall is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the enduring power of a shared purpose. The idea of building walls for defense was not unique to China. In China, the earliest walls were built of simple materials: earth, wood, and stones. During the Warring States period, 7 major kingdoms battled for control of China. Each kingdom built walls to defend its borders from its rivals. These walls were not connected, but they represented an important step towards the concept of a unified defense. One of the most famous early walls was built by the Qi state. Known as the Long Wall of Qi, it stretched for over 300 miles. This technique created a surprisingly strong and durable wall, though not as impressive as the stone structures to come. These early walls demonstrated the value of defensive barriers and provided the experience needed to build on a much larger scale. In 221 BC, a ruler emerged who would change China forever: Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of a unified China. His reign marked the beginning of a new era, one that would see the consolidation of power and the standardization of various aspects of Chinese life. One of his most ambitious projects was to connect and strengthen the existing walls, creating a unified defense against the nomads to the north. This monumental task was not just about building a wall, it was about creating a symbol of strength and unity. Qin Shi Huang's vision was not just about defense, it was about unifying his empire. He sought to bring together the diverse cultures and regions under one rule, fostering a sense of shared identity and purpose. The construction of the Great Wall was a monumental task, requiring the labor of hundreds of thousands of people from all corners of the newly unified China. These laborers, often working in harsh conditions, were the backbone of this grand endeavor. Stone and brick replaced rammed earth in many sections, creating a more formidable and enduring barrier. This transformation not only enhanced the wall's defensive capabilities, but also its symbolic significance. The wall stretched for thousands of miles, winding its way across mountains, deserts, and plains. It was a testament to the engineering prowess and determination of the Chinese people. The construction of the Great Wall during the Qin dynasty marked a turning point in Chinese history. It was a project that showcased the empire's ability to mobilize resources and manpower on an unprecedented scale. It was the beginning of a project that would continue for centuries, shaping China's destiny and leaving an indelible mark on the landscape. The Great Wall stands today as a symbol of China's enduring strength and unity. Section 4. Bricks, stones, and tamped earth, the backbone of a giant. The Great Wall of China is not a single uniform structure. It stretches across thousands of miles, weaving through mountains, deserts, and plains. It is a complex network of walls, towers, and fortifications built over centuries using various materials and techniques. Each section tells a story of the era and the people who built it. The materials used depended on the local geography, resources, and the era of construction. This adaptability is a hallmark of its enduring legacy. In mountainous regions where stone was readily available, the wall was often built using large, cut stones. These stones were meticulously shaped and placed to form a formidable barrier. In flatter areas, where stone was scarce, bricks were fired from local clay and used as the primary building material. These bricks were lighter and easier to transport, making construction more efficient. In some regions, particularly in the West, the builders continued to use the ancient technique of rammed earth. This method involved compacting layers of earth to create sturdy walls. The choice of materials and techniques reflects the ingenuity and adaptability of the ancient Chinese builders. They were able to overcome the challenges posed by diverse landscapes and limited resources. They used the resources available to them to create a structure that has stood the test of time, a testament to their skill and determination. The Great Wall remains a symbol of China's enduring strength and resilience. Section 5. 1,000,000 hands, soldiers, peasants, and the toil of construction. Building the Great Wall was a monumental task that spanned centuries and required the labor of millions. The backbone of the workforce was made up of conscripted laborers, often peasants forced into service by the government. These men, separated from their families and fields, endured harsh conditions and back-breaking labor. Alongside the conscripted peasants were soldiers, stationed along the wall to defend against invaders. Skilled artisans and craftsmen also played a vital role. The construction of the Great Wall took a heavy toll on its builders. Their sacrifice is a stark reminder of the human cost of this monumental undertaking. Section 6. Conquering Mountains and Deserts. The Challenges of Nature. Building a wall across thousands of miles of varied terrain presented formidable challenges for the ancient Chinese. The builders had to contend with towering mountains, vast deserts, and treacherous rivers, each posing its own unique set of obstacles. In mountainous regions, the terrain itself was the biggest challenge. Deserts presented a different set of difficulties. The scorching sun and lack of water made working conditions unbearable. Rivers and valleys also presented significant hurdles. Despite these challenges, the builders persevered, driven by a shared purpose and the knowledge that their work was vital to the safety and prosperity of China. Section 7. The Great Wall. Today, a legacy in stone. The Great Wall of China, once a symbol of division and defense, stands today as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a powerful symbol of China's rich history and culture. It stretches over 13,000 miles, weaving through rugged mountains, vast deserts, and lush valleys, showcasing the diverse landscapes of China. Its winding path across the landscape, a testament to human endeavor, attracts millions of visitors each year. People from all corners of the globe come to walk along its ancient stones, marveling at the engineering feat and the sheer scale of the construction. While the wall never fully stopped invasions, it served as a deterrent and a symbol of Chinese strength. The watchtowers and fortresses along its length stand as silent sentinels, echoing the stories of the past. Today, it serves as a reminder of the past, a place where visitors can connect with history and appreciate the scale of the achievement. Families, historians, and adventurers alike find a sense of connection and awe as they traverse its ancient paths. However, the wall also faces challenges. Time and nature have taken their toll, leading to sections that have deteriorated and become overgrown. The Chinese government and various organizations are working to protect and restore sections of the wall, ensuring that this iconic landmark will continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Their efforts are crucial in preserving this monumental piece of history. The Great Wall of China is more than just bricks and stones. It is a testament to the human spirit, a symbol of perseverance, and a reminder of the power of collective effort. It stands as a bridge between the past and the present,